Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC. I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If we ain't made any more videos till after Christmas, guys, then I just want to go ahead and tell y'all that. Beautiful Sunday morning here. It was a cold 19 degrees. It's about 26 or 27 now, I think. But getting ready to take up the beautiful Freewing F86 Sabre, guys, 80 millimeter. People be asking me, where I've been placing my batteries on this one also. Right there's a 5200, guys, and you see where I've got it. If it wasn't for the ESC, I would have this thing all the way back to the receiver right here to this little wall. But I can't go back any farther. But that's where I run mine, guys, and I don't have any problems with it. As you can see, this is where they saying a 4,000 up here. But, guys, it's just, it flies, but, man, it's just way nose heavy and no elevator authority. And as you can see, we got it way back. Y'all see my little journey with this, trying to figure this thing out. But we also got the Sky D, gonna be tracking the speed. So we're all legal. So nobody can't say nothing, the Flying Eagle. So, oh yeah, guys. We got, like I said, we got the GPS acquired. Oh yeah.
Volume 80.
All right, guys, here we go. You're gonna hear the flight modes, guys. Listen.
Flight mode 3.
That's just my
Flight mode 1. Flight mode 2. Flight mode 3.
Uh-oh, I need to change my trim setup, guys. I didn't put it. No wonder it wasn't changing when I was Yep, that's where she is. Huh? Now let's see.
Flight mode 2. GPS acquired.
Okay, guys, here we go. We're gonna do a little trimming while we're up, but like we can do it right quick, ain't no biggie. So underlay, here we go. And that thing, it's the wheels are definitely a lot of trimming. Yeah, guys, it's gonna be a trim video. Looks like daggone it. Should have just left it. Well, that ain't bad. I can live with that.
Flight mode 2.
All right, let's do the flaps. We'll just go ahead and do landing flaps because I don't. And landing flaps look like they're all right. Going in between the houses, guys, so don't worry.
Flight mode 2. Flight mode 1. Flight mode 2.
Just get it trimmed right quick, guys.
Flight mode 1.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, we got it. Go up here and do us a speed run since we got the Sky D in it. We'll just see how fast it is. It ain't gonna be that fast, guys, because I do have the drop tanks on it. That does make it a little different. So let the battery chill. All right, guys, here we go. It's already surging, guys, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and land her. That battery just ain't that good. It's actually about to die, sounds like. Daggone it. Yeah, she's a surgeon. Plus it's cold out, so I'm sure that ain't helping. See, that thing wobbles it, and see, I ain't even do nothing. It does that. See how it does? One of the wheels is draggy, and we'll have to try to smooth it up or something. But yeah, it's see what the battery is. What in the heck? 21.5 volts. So yeah, see guys, that battery just, plus it being cold out, just ain't. And we hit a total speed of 88.6 miles an hour, guys. So I mean, it's not bad. Not considering about the time I was trying to do a good speed run, it started surging. So I think I've got right at 100 with it. You know, it's not bad. But anyway, guys, we'll show you one more battery placement one last time. That's where I've got a 5200, and I put 6000s there and 5000s. I put all my batteries right there. So it's between, even my 4000s I put there, and between 4000 and 6000, I don't see much difference other than the heavier battery I go, the more elevator authority I got. So that's all I can say about it. But anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. If you want this plane, like always, there'll be links in the description. Help support the channel, guys. We do appreciate it. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank you all, man. Y'all are killing it. Over 4,050 right now. So heck yeah, guys, keep on rolling. Till we do it again, say fine and God bless. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Bye, bye, bye.